Friends, and welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to see a shortcut method to find A inverse. There are many methods to find A inverse. We have seen in my previous videos, video number 9, 10 and 11. We can find A inverse by row transformation, column transformation as well as adjoint method. In my video part 11, in the adjoint method, by using adjoint method we can find the A inverse, but it is a lengthy process. I have just find the A inverse. The example is 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. By using adjoint method we find all minors and cofactors of each elements. There are 9 elements, so we find 9 minors, each minor of each element, and then we find matrix of cofactor, and the adjoint of the matrix is the transpose of the matrix of cofactor, and hence we can find the inverse of a matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. But in this video I will give you a very simple and shortcut method to find A inverse. This shortcut method only helps for objective type questions in JEE or CET. This shortcut method cannot be applied to the board exam or any other written exam. Only for verification of the answer of inverse function, inverse of a matrix. So let us begin with the same example in the video part 11, where I have just find the inverse by adjoint method. So this is the example I will take for the simplification or shortcut to find a shortcut of the A inverse. So let denote this is by matrix A 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. This is the matrix. Now the determinant of A is equal to, it is 4, so it is not equal to 0. This matrix is non-singular matrix, its inverses exist. Now first write all the elements of the matrices: 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Follow the trick, understand carefully. Now this row, this column is repeated after the third column 1 1 1. Again the second column is repeated. This is the column after the fourth column 1 minus 1 1. Now again repeat the row number 1 below the row number 3 1 1 1 1 1. Again repeat the second column below the fourth column, second row below the fourth row 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Now remove the first row and first column. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. It is equal to 1 upon 4. Adjoint of A is a matrix Now we start from the column and we cross multiplication, but for this cross multiplication, for determinant of second order, we take from left to right and subtract right to the left. But in this shortcut method, we start from the bottom, that is right to left, and subtract left to right, that is minus 1 into minus 1 become 1, and 1 minus 1 it is become 0. So first element is 0. So we start with column wise and writing with row wise. Now second, consider this matrix, this is determinant. 1 into 1, start from right to left, bottom to top. 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1 minus minus plus 1, so it is become 2. So it is 2. Next, now consider this determinant. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1, that is plus 1, that is equal to 2. Similarly, now go for the second row and third row. Now consider this determinant. 1 into 1 minus into 1, that is 1, minus minus plus 1, that is 2. Go column wise, row wise. Now second element, 1 into minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 1, it is minus 2. Now third, 1 into 1 minus 1, so it is 0. Go column wise. Similarly, now next is this 1 into 1 minus, that is plus 1, that is 2. Then 1 into 1 minus 1, it is 0. Now next is minus 1, that is minus 2. So this is the inverse of the given matrix. Now we observe both are same or not. So here is the inverse, 1 by 4, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 2, 0 minus 2. So in this way we find the inverse of a matrix by a shortcut method, which is applicable only for MCQ solution and not for any theory or any board exam. It is only for verification. So this is a shortcut method. Thanking you for watching my video.